Hello friends, I am Sahil Parmar. I welcome to you all behalf of this channel. I welcome you on Gujarat Study IQ YouTube channel. Today we will talk about press briefing on RRB recruitment. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe and like. And also share this channel with your friends, relatives and other ones. Let's start. Status of ongoing recruitment by RRBS. In ongoing recruitment by RRBS, 3 employment notifications have been issued. CEN 1/2019 NTPC categories, CEN 3 2019 isolated and ministerial categories, and RRC 1 2019 level 1 categories. Total number of vacancies notified 1.4 lakh. Number of candidates registered 2.44 crore. Friends, see how many candidates and how much vacancies. All processes of RRB exam are computer based and fully transparent and candidate friendly. Status of ongoing recruitment by RRBS at a glance. CEN number 3 2019. Post advertised isolated and ministerial categories. Teachers, translator, etc. On vacancies 1663. Number of registered candidates 1.03 lakh. Plan of exam. CBT is planned from 15th December to 18th December 2020. E-call letters issued. Another one 1/2019. Post advertised non-technical popular categories NTPC. Guard, office clerk, commercial clerk, etc. Vacancies 35,208. Number of registered candidates 1.26 crore. Plan of exam. The first stage CBT is planned from 28th December 2020 to mid-March 2021. RRC 1/2019. Post advertised level 1 track maintainers, pointsmen and various levels. First employees, level 1 employees. Vacancies 1,03,769. Number of registered candidates are 1.15 crore. Plan of exam. The CBT is planned after completion of NTPC examination tentatively from April 2021. Means they will Total number of vacancies 1,40,640 and the number of candidates are registered 2.44 crore. RRB exam coming from 15th December 2020. मतलब कि जो 15 दिसंबर 2020 में RRB एग्ज़ाम्स उसके बारे में कुछ जानते हैं. Details of CEN 3 2019 isolated and ministerial categories. Total number of vacancies 1,663. Total number of candidates 1.03 lakh. As a matter of transparency, RRBs gave the facility to candidates to view their application status by sending link from 50th October to 20th October. मतलब कि 15 तारीख से 20 तारीख तक की वो आपको आप अपना RRB गए आपको RRB प्रोवाइड करता है कि वो आपको एप्लीकेशन आप एप्लीकेशन स्टेटस देख सकते हो. Exam will be conducted following कोविड-19 गाइडलाइंस। आपको भी पता है कि आजकल कोविड चल रहा है, कोविड कोरोना वायरस है, तो एग्ज़ाम जो परीक्षा होगी वो उसकी गाइडलाइन को लेकर चलेगी। लिंक फॉर व्यूइंग द एग्ज़ाम सिटी एंड डेट एंड डाउनलोडिंग फॉर ट्रैवल अथॉरिटी फॉर SC/ST कैंडिडेट्स हैज़ बीन मेड अवेलेबल ऑन ऑल RRB वेबसाइट फ्रॉम 5th December onward. E-call letters can be downloaded from RRB website from 16th मतलब 1600 hours today. Candidates are advised to refer only to the official website of RRBS for latest update. For this CBT, as there are only about 1 lakh candidates, there are 354 CBT centers. The candidates have largely been accommodated either within their states or involving minimum travel. The duration of CBT. Friends, timing for CBT for CEN3 2019 isolated and ministerial categories. Exam date of CBT 15th December to 18th December 2020. The duration of CBT for CEN3 2019 isolated and ministerial categories will be 90 minutes. दोस्तों 90 मिनट यानी कि 1.5 घंटे की एग्ज़ाम होगी फॉर 100 क्वेश्चंस. 120 minutes for eligible PWD candidates taking the CBT with scribe. Reporting time, get opening time at 9 a.m. and friends, there are 2 shifts, shift 1 and shift 2. Reporting time for shift 1 9 a.m. get closing time shift 1 10 a.m. and exam will start 10:30 a.m. for shift 1. And let's talk about shift 2. Get opening time 1:30 p.m. get closing time 2:30 p.m. and exam will start 3 p.m. Friends, state-wise test center detail for CEN3 2019 isolated and ministerial categories. Date of CBT 15th to 18th December. Andaman Nicobar 7, number of candidates 7. Andhra Pradesh 2989. Great. Arunachal Pradesh 103. Assam 1334. Bihar 1,529,000. Chandigarh 1,349. Gujarat 2,085. Let's talk about other CEN1 2019 NTPC categories. CBT start from 28th December. Let's see about only Gujarat. Gujarat has candidates 3,19,417. Friends, here we only talk for Gujarat, not for other states. If you want to know, the link of PDF is in description box. You can see about it. Various steps taken for smooth conduct of CBT. Efforts are being made by RRB to ensure that as far as possible the candidates are accommodated in their own state so that they can reach their exam centers by undertaking overnight journey. Female and PWD candidates are accommodated within their home states. However, consider skewed distribution of candidates area-wise, there will be unavoidable interstate movements. Railways will be running special exam trains to cater to travel recruitments of the candidates wherever required and feasible. Chief Secretaries of concerned state governments have also been requested to extend support of local administration to RRBS for conducting CBTs in secure and safe manner, ensuring social distancing. Enchantment of transparency and fairness in RRB exam. In computer-based test means CBTs, candidates are provided link for familiarizing themselves through a link for mock test before actual exam. Provisions of mock test before actual exams provides them the opportunity of familiarizing themselves with computer-based testing. This gives confidence to candidates. Candidates are shown their question paper answer booklets along with correct answer keys. They are also given an opportunity to raise objection regarding correction of questions, if any. There are no interviews in RRB exams, hence no dissection of interview board. Selection of candidates on only merit. High level integrative of exam. Biometric and photo captured before exam. Photograph displayed on candidate screens. CCTV surveillance and real-time command center monitoring. Candidates' response captured in the system with 128-byte encryption bit. Detailed audit trails for every candidate. Indian Railways through RRBS are committed for a fair and transparent recruitment system, leveraging technology. Conduct of CBTS following COVID-19 protocols. Candidates will be checked for temperature at entry using thermoguns. Candidates having temperature more than prescribed limits will not be allowed inside the exam venue. Intimation is the regard will also be sent to their registered email and mobile number regarding rescheduling of such candidates. Exact date of rescheduling exam, such candidates will be intimated subsequently. Face mask. The candidate should use his or her own face masks. Candidates have to produce COVID-19 self-selection in prescribed format at the entry, and in absence of the same, he/she will not be allowed into the exam venue. Crowd management. Paper arrangement of crowd management will be made as per COVID-19 protocol from the main gate to the exam labs. Conduct of CBTS following COVID-19 protocols. After each shift, the exam center will be sanitized before starting another shift. Friends, there are two shifts, shift 1 and shift 2. After shift 1, exam center will sanitized. In order to safeguard the health of the candidates and other personnel involved the conduct of CBT during COVID-19. All relevant protocols, guidelines will be strictly complied and followed. The latest instruction, guidelines and order issued by the central and respective state governments concerning COVID-19 will be followed and ensured. Thank you. Friends, thank you so much for being with us till the video. Please like and subscribe our channel and also share it. Thank you.